What is it? What is that? What did you get in there? What is it? Stegosaurus?
Yes, Stegosaurus.
I think that's a T-Rex.
What is that?
That's a dinosaur. Yeah.
Here.
You got a lot of dinosaurs, huh?
And look. There's one.
Wow. What is it? Oh, cool. Hello. Hi, dinosaur. Okay, go put them next to your other ones. What else did you get?
And then look there.
Elephant. This is a big one, huh?
Yeah. Got a truck.
A truck?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's that?
Horsey.
Horsey. Can you get him?
That's a good truck.
Truck. Cool.
Yeah, more.
Yeah.
Truck.
Can you reach him? Oh, another truck. Cool.
Yeah.
We're going to put them next to each other. Oh, they got a bang bang together. That's like what trucks do. Yeah, go see what else is in there, okay? And we'll get this out in just a minute and play with them. What else is in the box? Do you have anything else? What is that? It's what? Is it a dinosaur?
What's that?
That's a dinosaur.
Choice?
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
It's a dinosaur.
Big set. What's that?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaurus.
Yay.
Oh. Saurus.
Is there more? What is it?
Wonderful.
It's a lizard?
No, the
It's a dinosaur?
yeah.
Okay. What else?
Sheep.
A sheep?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a deer.
Oh man.
Oh man.
What's that?
A seal, I think.
See? And what? What's that?
You got a lot of a walrus, huh?
Hey, see? Got a sheep. Cat. Oh gosh.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Oh, what is that one? Can you get it? It was hard. Do you need help? What is it?
Turtle.
Turtle. Good job. Is that all?
No. No, what?
It's all done?
No.
Okay, show me all your toys. What do you got here? What are they? There's a horsey. You want a picture of the horsey?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, horsey, come over here so we can look at it in the picture. Nay. You say nay. Do you see him? Yeah, it's cool. Okay. On the floor. Good job. Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
Good job. Can you say it again? Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Come over here and play with your toys. Can you get them? Sit down and say, look at Mommy.
Chargers.
Yeah, say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma. Alright.
Yeah, T-Rex. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.